Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow. No matter how far.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Sorry. Today's video, I'm standing up right now because I'm trying to hurry up and record this intro. But today's video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do this halo cut crease look. And it's just a simple, short video. So, stay tuned, and I love you guys. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I already did this eye. It's looking pretty good to me. So, I'm going to just jump right into my other eye. So today I'm going to be using the 39A palette, and sorry, please don't fall. It's gonna fall, but I don't care. And I'm also going to be using my 35B. All right. Okay. So sorry for this setup. I need to like invest in some actual like a setup because this is just ridiculous. But I'm going to start off with this eye. I already set it and stuff with concealer and some airspun powder. So I'm just going to start off with this eye, and I'm going I'm going to use. Actually, I'm going to just insert a picture. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to just insert a picture. I'm only using 3 shades out of these palettes. So, I'm just going to put this around the crease.
Don't know if you got a girl. Don't mean to disrespect, but thoughts of you rule my world. I even dream of you, I swear. Visions of you and I see you all around my way. Been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a city crush. Wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me.
Alright. So now that I got most of that color in, I'm going to bring this into my inner corners more. And I'm going to use this purple from the 35B palette right down the end. Same brush and everything. Y'all know I don't like switching brushes. And I'm going to make sure I pack the color on the outer corners and the inner corners because I want it to be kind of dark in those areas since that shimmer is going right there in the middle. So. Alright, so now that I have that down, I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend this into my eyebrow. And this is not doing anything, so I'm going to switch over to this fluffier brush to do that. So now that I finished blending, I'll be back and show you guys how to cut that halo out of the middle. Alright, so I just brought y'all in a little bit closer to see more detail, but I'm going to be using, of course I dropped it, but I'm going to be using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Beautiful Bronze, and to set it with that color, I'm going to be using Pure in the 3502 palette. So I'm just going to put a little bit onto the back of my hand and just sculpt it out. Alright, so now that I cut it all up and stuff, I'm going to take the Pure color I was talking about right here. It's somewhere there, it is, right there. I'm a terrible camera person. I'm going to take this flat, dense brush and just going to pack it right onto the base, just to give it a pop of color. Alright, so I just finished cutting that crease or whatever, and I'm just going to go back in with that small brush that I used to apply the pinkish purple color and just clean up the edges.
This brown color right here from the 3502 palette, and just darken up like the edges.
Alright, so now that I finished the eyes, I'm gonna actually take this concealer and carve out my line right here. Alright, y'all, so don't mind my bean head right now, but I just finished putting on my lashes, and now I'm about to go finish my face, and then I'm yeah. Hey guys, sorry I forgot to record the outro, but all I did was put some of the same color underneath my eye and some mascara, and I did my face and all of that. Sorry this lighting is so red. It's a pink light that I have, but thanks for watching, and be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you